Hey you guys, so today we're going to be doing a brow tutorial. As you can see, I do not have my eyebrows on for the purposes of this video. I wanted to show you guys an in-depth tutorial on how I do my brows. Maybe this can help you shape your brows better, fill them in better, new techniques that you didn't know about before. Please make sure to like and subscribe this video. If you have any questions or you want to see me do any of the looks, please leave it in the comment section below. Let's get started. Okay. What's up you guys? Okay, so as I said, we're going to be doing a brow tutorial today. Just to let you guys know, I like my brows to be natural. I feel like thick dark brows do not look good on everybody, especially with my hair being blonde. So I like for my brows to have a natural brown tint but not too dark. So that's why I got the Precisely My Brow in the color 3.5. Like I said, it's a natural color, so it works for me. Just to start off, your brow should always start here. The top of your brow, your arch of your brow should always be at this angle, and your brow should always end at the end of your eye. Okay, so what I like to do is brush my brows up first. In my last video, I did start with the brow gel, but for today, we are going to start with the brow pencil just because my brows are not freshly done. So you brush your brows up. And you want to start outlining. I like to start from this area and then work my way to the front. Sometimes I will be heavy on the stroke if I want it to be a little dark, but it would never be super dark. And when doing my brows, I don't bring this line all the way to the front. I like to do hair strokes in the front. Make sure you're curving it, but make sure you follow your natural brow shape or however you got your eyebrows arched. And I like to continuously brush them out, make sure the product is being dispersed throughout my brow. And then for the front, I like to do like hair strokes. My brows usually don't take me long, but this left eyebrow always gives me a hard time, especially when they're not freshly done. Okay, a good tip is when your eyebrows are not freshly done, you want to take your concealer. The one I'm going to be using is the Mercier in the color 4N. And I'm using a small e.l.f. concealer brush. And you just want to start where the arch is and bring the concealer down. And slowly bring it towards the front. And whatever's extra, I like to just drag it down. And I don't bring the concealer all the way to the front because it doesn't need to be super bright all over. And the concealer under the brow bone gives it a highlight without highlighting. And remember to tap it out with your fingers. Next, I'm going to use my Benefit Brow Gel, the 24 Brow Setter. I love this stuff better than the Anastasia Brow Gel. I just feel like it holds onto the brow tighter. And the hairs, I think it's the brush, honestly. Because one side it got shorter hairs, the other side it has shorter bristles. That's what I meant, bristles. And I like to use the shorter side. And I think the longer side would be good for people that have long brow hairs and it's really thick. Then I just like to go back in and make sure they're filled in as dark as I want them to, and still have the hair strokes in the front. And that is it. Your eyebrows are not gonna always be twins. They're supposed to be sisters, but not distant cousins. Remember that. So remember, your eyebrow should always start here. The highest part of your eyebrow should be at this angle, and the end of your eyebrow should always end at your eye. And if you have any more questions, please leave them in the comment section. Thank you for watching.